My friend, the world of women seems very complex, especially when you are a young man with no experience. You often get ignored by the ones you truly desire. But what if I told you that there are some productive scientific ways to turn the tables in your favor and become the man they can't resist? It is not a rocket science, but it is neuroscience, psychology, and biology all coming together in a beautiful way. Hit the subscribe button and show me that you want to become an alpha creature. These 5 secrets will help you to spark attraction in any girl and make you an addictive pill for them, or you will be like cocaine to them. First one is the power of touch. Touch is the most powerful tool. Our skin is largest sensory organ, and women have more nerve endings per square inch as compared to men. Gentle and soft, non-threatening touch release oxytocin, which is the bonding hormone and will stimulate arousal in her body. Brush her arm during conversation, help her with her coat, touch her lower back while guiding her through a door. But remember, the key is subtlety and respect. By turning her on by touch, she will grab you and lick you like a lollipop. Second one is the power of attentiveness. Listening stimulates areas in the female brain associated with memory and emotions. When you listen attentively, she not only feels valued but also forms emotional memories in her subconscious mind associated with you. Look into her eyes like an alpha creature and get engaged in the conversation with full zeal. Ask follow-up questions and remember the minor details. Guess the sentences she wants to say and say it in advance. This will build a spark in her that you have a keen interest in her. Tell her that what she's saying matters to you the most, but don't overdo it. Beware, with a lot of sharing, you will end up in a friend zone. Third one is strong body language. Body language openly speaks about your intentions. Women are evolutionally tuned to read these signals. Open body language with uncrossed arms and legs, broad shoulders, and relaxed posture, just like Superman. Since women are always attracted to the strongest alpha male, this indicates confidence and openness. It unconsciously signals to her that you are trustworthy, dominant, and desirable. Fourth one is the power of perfume. A fragrance plays a huge role in attraction. It's directly linked to our primitive brain and can elicit strong emotional responses. Smelling good can increase girls' perceived attractiveness. Invest in quality perfumes, but don't overdo it. Subtlety is key. Let her lean in to catch a whiff, sparking intrigue in her desire. Fifth one is the displays of altruism. Women are attracted to men who exhibit kindness and altruism. It is linked to the perception of being a good potential partner. While walking, help a stranger, be kind in a way, and expressing concern for a friend in need. Such behaviors make you appear alpha male, responsible and reliable, and highly desirable. Remember, my friend, attracting women is not just about tricks or techniques only. It's about understanding what resonates with girls on a biological and psychological level. You have to showcase those qualities. With these ways, you can turn any girl on and enjoy being an alpha. My friend, I will see you with the new lesson soon.